Welcome back. Today we're going to unbox the Galaxy S10e. Haha. So come along with me and let's see what's in the box. Now with the Galaxy S10e, in the original box that it came from, we did get a few paper items in the box. We got Activate Now, which is, you go online, you go to AT&T.com/get started, and it shows you how to set this thing up. We also received a return slip if we have to return this for some reason. We even had tape to reseal the box for a return device. You just kind of peel this off, put it back on the box. Don't even have to use your own tape. Pretty cool. And of course we got the receipt, the invoice. What we paid and all that good stuff. So that came. So all that came into the original box. Make sure you keep that. Now opening this box up, you will see all kinds of neat things. But don't forget to look underneath the lid because there's important information under there as well. And there in the main box, of course, you have the phone. You have, this is the card you put in to the phone itself so that it can read that you're with AT&T. At the top of my head, I can't remember what the name of that little card is, but you got to put it in the phone or it doesn't work. You have the plug-in part of the charger. And here you have an adapter. Not sure what that's for, but we'll probably figure that out a little later. We have the charging cable itself. So it is a Type-C to the standard. Plug that in like that. This goes to the back of the phone, the bottom of it, like so. All right, and what do we have here? We have, it'll make it real easy to get in there. Ooh, we got earbuds. Son of a gun. Now that's something I wasn't prepared for. So we do have earbuds. It looks like it's the 3-ring type, so that is stereo, if I remember correctly. Put that back in there. Now that's just the bottom part, because remember, we got to go to the top of the box. There's a little tab in there. Pull up on that tab. Nothing else in there. And here we have what's called the key to get in, where you put that that card that you're gonna have to put into the phone itself. We'll stick that back in there so we don't lose it. And let's see how you get in this thing. There we go. We have, oh good, scared me for a second there. All right, the Samsung Galaxy S10e, terms and conditions, health and safety information. So it has a lot of interesting stuff in there. table of contents, important information, end user agreements, arbitration agreement, in other words, don't sue us, that kind of thing. And we'll look at that later. Watch, stream, enjoy. Oh, this is a advertisement for DirecTV for satellite. And oh, let's get started. Oh, what's this though? This device is packaged with a screen protector. It is? Huh. I didn't see it. It is packaged with a screen protector. If we remove it and want to use a different screen protector, make sure it allows for use of all touch screen features. Oh, I didn't know this came with a screen protector, but where is it? So I guess what we're going to have to do is let's get started. Samsung Galaxy S10e. Open this up. And it talks about optimizing the battery, what's in the box, SIM card, that's what I was trying to remember what it was called. So you have the phone itself, you have the SIM card, which is what this thing was. You have the wall USB charger, you have a stereo headset, you have a USB connector, quick start guide, and terms and conditions. Alrighty, so it has all the useful apps, in other words, apps that they put in there that they think you want. And you can get additional information right here. Talks about your phone, how to swipe access, Bixby Home explains all that. Fun camera features, and we'll go over that at a later date when I do the initial setup. Wireless power share, oh, that's kind of cool. It does a power share thing. And see more with AT&T video call. Oh, so you have AT&T video call with it. And about how to take pictures and other videos. Wow, that's interesting. But it doesn't say anything about the screen protector. So, let's go ahead. Oh, there's nothing. You know what? That might be it. The screen protector is on it. So what we're going to do is we are going to stop right here. And that is the unboxing of the Galaxy S10e. And on the next video, we're going to go ahead and do the initial setup so we know how this thing is done. Thank you for coming along with me to unbox the Galaxy S10e. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And hit that bell while you're at it if you could, please. And as always, have a great day.